It was no accident that the early civil rights leaders came out of the churches. For African Americans, they looked at the Bible and they saw Jesus as the liberator. And when they sang in the spirituals about freedom, they didn't just mean spiritual freedom in the other world. They meant the hope of freedom in this world as well. They took the story of Exodus from the Old Testament and made that their hope, that they were going to one day reach freedom just as the Israelites had.
Supposedly he goes down there to the crossroads and sells his soul to the devil and can play everything perfect in 3 minutes. You know, he didn't go to the crossroads and sell his soul to the devil and can play. You know better than that. But the crossroads obviously were never in Clarksdale in the 1920s. There weren't even crossroads there. They say the crossroads are down at this road here. Remember, this road wasn't here. This road was here. All right, that's the only road. Went to the old Cleveland Road, and that's where the crossroads were, supposedly.
Lord, that 61 highway is the longest road I know.
Nobody has B.B. King but us. Isn't that amazing? There he stands right there. B.B. King says that Dockery is the birthplace of the blues and that Charlie Patton is the father of the blues.
The birth of the music of African Americans who were forced over here. And it wasn't their choice to. They were forced over here, and they were forced to adjust to a Western civilization they weren't from. In the 20s, they were singing from their heart, real pain, and those records is what went all over the world. That's what grabbed the world, and that's why the world loves the blues today. Not because of all these hot-shot young white guys playing guitar fast. It's those groups of songs that's part of humanity and tells a story of oppression, you know.
Because I was out on the road most of the time, going to mass meetings in different areas and different places, you know, like they want me to come from place to speak, and that's what I was doing. Well, it was rough, you know, because we would go to places to go in to do voter registration in places, and we talk to people, you know, and we would tell them, you know, we walk the streets in different little areas, and we would tell them we was coming back the next day, and by the next day somebody would be done got to them, and they would want to talk with us, you know, and this kind of stuff. It would be kind of some days would be disgusting, some very disappointing, and we go to churches, and they occasionally along they was burning up churches, and these are the kind of things we face with.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Everybody has an experience listening to blues music because blues music has affected everything that's happening today.
As you're younger and you keep on listening to it, it kind of keeps the blues in the time. So it just makes the blues stay here.